Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Pentanet.com.au isn't just a website, it's your gateway to a world of cutting-edge fixed wireless internet connectivity in Perth, Western Australia. Tired of sluggish speeds and unreliable connections? Pentanet offers a breath of fresh air with their lightning-fast gigabit wireless broadband, perfectly tailored for residential customers craving uninterrupted streaming, lag-free gaming, and seamless browsing. But it doesn't stop there. Businesses can also leverage Pentanet's robust network infrastructure, benefiting from dedicated high-speed connections designed to boost productivity and support demanding online operations. Thinking about ditching that tired old NBN connection? Pentanet's innovative fixed wireless technology provides a compelling alternative, promising not just speed but also reliability. They're dedicated to delivering a premium internet experience, backed by excellent customer service and support. Explore their comprehensive range of plans designed to cater to various needs and budgets, whether you're a casual internet user or a heavy data consumer. Discover the future of internet connectivity with Pentanet and unlock the full potential of your online world. With a commitment to innovation and a customer-centric approach, Pentanet is changing the game in Western Australia's internet landscape. Visit pentanet.com.au today and experience the difference. Learn more about their services, check coverage availability in your area, and join the growing community of satisfied Pentanet customers experiencing the next generation of internet connectivity. Don't settle for less, upgrade to Pentanet and experience the power of true broadband freedom. They're setting a new standard for speed, reliability, and customer satisfaction in the Perth area. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to pentanet.com.au and see how they can transform your online experience.